It is week 4 of October and the cut's going well. You can almost see maybe the top part of my abs. We're on a roll. Okay, I am in Tripoli, the Philippines, in Greece. Got here yesterday, got in late, but I have a Spartan race today in Sparta. But Tripoli, a very cool town. So the race goes right through the center of the town. I mean, Sparta is very small. There's like ruins in every other block, but Sparta is really a small town if you think about it. But yeah, Spartan, the American company Spartan that does this obstacle race thing, like takes over the whole town. It's kind of crazy how many people, how much stuff goes into it. But let me tell you, business makes money, so we're doing something right. I'm doing a 5K race. I did the 10K at the start of the year, which was actually difficult. Now I'm doing the 5K, so that shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, it should be fun. I get to do it in a town where my dad's dad is from, Sparta. So pretty cool. But I'm late, so better figure it out. 5K done, felt like about 7-8K. I don't know how specific or accurate they are, but it felt pretty hard. But last time I did the 10K, I failed like 5 or 6 of the obstacles. This time I only failed 2, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. But yeah, it was much harder, but to be honest, that's going to be like one of the dopest things I've ever done in my life. Running, doing a competition through Sparta, through the ancient ruins, Byzantine ruins, archaic ruins, Golden Age ruins, Hellenistic ruins, Roman ruins. Doesn't get much better than that. So pretty satisfied with all that. That down there is Sparta. Those mountains over there, way over there, is where my great-grandfather on my dad's side comes from, a little town called Rikia. And this is the castle of Mystras, started to be built by, it was originally built by the French when they took over Constantinople. Lycian, Paleologian Empire took it back. And yeah, this was actually, ancient Sparta was long gone by then. They built Mystras. People all lived in this area around Mystras. And only about in 1830 did they create now Sparta. Again, so long history. But the beautiful thing, like I said, is that the Byzantine East Roman Empire came back and they had a renaissance after renaissance. Of the castle of Mystras. There's a nice rain coming through mountains of Taygetus, and I'm the only one here. I don't know how much better life gets. It could not be raining. That's a good thing. But it's pretty cool. There's a party down there. I was going to do the Spartan race yesterday. My mum said like actually enjoy it, and I don't really stop to think about stuff, whether I'm doing work, whether it's one marathon or a Spartan type thing. I don't usually sit down and enjoy it or enjoy the process too much. I enjoy what I do, but I don't kind of sit there and be like, this is cool, I enjoy this, blah blah blah. But this trip has definitely helped me do that.